Hey Glams, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. And today is this a lazy day makeup routine. So it's a lazy day for me, and of course my hair is like block. So it's not looking the best, so whatever on that. It is a lazy day for me. Before we get to the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification post on so you won't miss any videos I post. And don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is the bottom of the screen. And make sure if you enjoy my content, help me get to 200 subscribers because I'm almost there. And don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel on Glamorous Mimi TV. And today's shout out goes to Tribe Trinity channel. Thank you for this wonderful comment, for comment on my videos. I appreciate it. I love y'all. I support y'all. Keep doing your thing. So this is a shout out from me to them. Tribe Trinity, go subscribe to that channel, check them out. They are awesome. They have funny videos, get to laugh at them. Just go check them out. And without further ado, let's roll into the video. Hey Glamorous Beauties, babes, welcome back to my channel. Today is a lazy day for me, and it's a lazy day makeup routine. So basically it's my lazy day when I'm feeling lazy, which is today. And I already did my eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows on a lazy day because I want to look like some just a little bit. And I already set my moisturizer. My favorite moisturizer is Pond's, the moisturize my face. And today I'm going to start out with my BH Cosmetic foundation to set my face. I'm not going to do too much, so let's get right into it. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics concealer in 119 and my Wet n Wild concealer in medium tawny to set my under eye to get the dark circles.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this.
And now I'm gonna use my Airspun powder and in the shade Suntan 07 through 30, and I'm gonna set my under eye. I'm gonna set my concealer. I'm not gonna contour today or nothing like that, but I'm gonna bronze around my forehead, my temples and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use my True Radiance Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna use the bronzing shade right here. And I'm gonna use my this Ipsy Luxury brush in 1010 small contour, but I'm gonna bronze, like not contour, bronze.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt.
And I'm gonna use my Ciate London mascara, which I got out my Ipsy Bag, and I'm gonna do that.
Only just like the sunrise.
Now I'm gonna go off camera. I have to apply me some lashes. No eyeliner, nothing like that. No eyeshadow, just my lashes. And I'm using the Blowout Lash by Kiss in Page Board. So my eyelashes are applied. Now I'm gonna go on to the lips, and the lips I'm using is a very new color. So I'm just gonna do this autocorrect from ColourPop and Screenshot, one of these two. Yeah. Highlight, I'm gonna take Radiant out of my It's My Ray Ray palette. So this is the final look of my lazy day makeup routine, and don't pay me no mind to my hair. I'm having a lot of problems like today, so this is a lazy day, so make it lazy. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any uploads I post, and help me get to 200 subscribers because I'm almost there. And don't forget to subscribe to my my vlog channel, which is Glamorous Mimi TV, and be sure to follow my social media, which is at the bottom of the screen. So, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.